So what you saw in them other videos is chopping second cut new seeding alfalfa. It's heavy, real heavy. Pushing the chopper and for all she's got. And I figure there's probably about 7 ton to the acre here, at least. It's a heck of a good crop, but if you look, it's a heck of a nice chop quality coming out the back. It's a little more on the moist side anyway, but I think it's pretty ideal. Smells real nice. It's about 75% alfalfa. There's some red clover in there, and the rest is grass, but should make some pretty nice feed. Running pretty good. These are 20-foot Meyer boxes. They hold a lot of feed.